everybody. I'm here today with a Kia Sportage windshield wiper tutorial, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the windshield wiper lever of a Kia Sportage, okay? And I'm going to show you and tell you how to use this in this video tutorial, and I'll keep it so easy. So these will be super easy instructions. So here's the steering wheel. When you're looking at the steering wheel, you're going to go to the right of the steering wheel, and this right here is the windshield wiper sort of like lever or stalk, whatever you want to call it, okay? Now, the first thing that I'll show you how to do is how to use the sort of the sprayer. So as you can see right here, if you pull it towards you, okay, you're going to get a certain sprayer. So I'll pull it towards me and I'll show you what happens. I'm holding it there. The front sprayer comes on, okay? And when you push it away from you and you hold it there, the back sprayer will come on. So watch this. I'm pushing it away. And it's kind of hard to see, but the back sprayer is indeed on, okay? So that's how you use the sprayers. Basically, you hold it towards you for the front sprayer and away from you for the back sprayer. Pretty straightforward. All right, now, to control the front windshield wipers, essentially, you're going to use a mixture of raising it up and down. So raising it up and sort of pulling it down, and this lever over here. So essentially, if you hold it up, okay, right now it's in like the neutral position, which is off. So it's just like sitting there, which is the off position. So when we go up, it goes into this mode, which will just allow you to basically use the wipers. I can hold it to use the wipers until you let go. So I'm going to hold it up like this, okay? And the wipers are just going to keep going. And then whenever I let go, it goes back to that off position and the wipers are now off, okay? So that's that functionality, okay? Now we can go down one. So right now we're in the off position again. We can go down one and it goes to intermittent. And the speed will depend on this. So right now it's going slow, which means they'll only go off every once in a while. But if I go higher, they're gonna go off more often. So they're gonna wipe more often. So as you can see, now they're wiping more often. Still intermittently, but more often, okay? And you can basically go as slow or as often as you want. So right now, as you can see, they're wiping as often as they can in the intermittent feature or functionality. I'm going to bring it back down to the slowest intermission, okay? Now, next up, we're going to go down, which is low. So now we're in the low position, which means they're going to go continually, but at a slow speed, okay? And then one more further down, all the way to the bottom, is high, which means they're going to go at the fastest speed. So they're going at the fastest speed at the highest speed, okay? So essentially, and I'll try and get this, I'll try and control this, I don't want to say control the sunlight, but I'll try and deal with the sunlight so you can see properly. From right here, we're in the off position. If we go up and we hold it up, it just makes them go on demand, essentially, till we release it. And then it goes back to the off position when we release it. So just like that. Sorry, I pushed it by accident, but they're going to go on demand and then now back to the off position. And then from there, we can go intermittent, in which we can control the speed of the front wipers, okay? Faster, slower, in terms of the frequency, I should say. Not the speed, but the frequency. More frequent or less frequent. And then we can go low, which is like a slow continual speed, or high, which is a faster continual speed, okay? So missed, off, intermittent, low, high. Very simple and straightforward. I'm gonna bring it back to the off. Now the other thing is for the rear wiper. For the rear wiper over here, as you can see, we have it right now in the off position over here, okay? So it shows an arrow in the off position. I'm gonna turn it up. It is now in the low position, which means the rear wiper is going to go at a sort of a low frequency. Like, that's the idea. It's going to go, it's kind of hard to see. It's just going to go at a low frequency, sort of a low speed. Think about it that way. And then what we have here is the high, which is the next one up. We're going to go to the high. So now the arrow's pointing to the high, which means it's going to be a high frequency or a high speed, which basically means it's continual and it's a little bit faster. Okay. And then you can once again bring it back to the off position to turn it off. And that's basically it. Honestly, that's the windshield wiper tutorial on the Kia Sportage. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. And I have nothing else to say. Hopefully I got you, I allowed you to be able to use your windshield wiper controls on your Kia Sportage and understand them properly. And yeah, I have nothing else to say for this tutorial. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.